If you want to create a Facebook page on your laptop, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. Creating a Facebook page is a great way to share your content, promote a business, or build a community. So let's get started. If this video helps you create a Facebook page, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open your web browser on your laptop. Now, open Facebook and log into your account. Next, look at the left side of the Facebook homepage and click Pages. Now, click Create New Page. A new page creation window will open. Next, select Public Page and click Next. Now scroll down and click Get Started. On the left side, enter the name you want to use for your Facebook page. Next, scroll down and enter a category that best describes your page. Now, add a bio to tell people what your page is about. Once you've entered all the information, click Create Page. Now, you can add your page details, such as your website, phone number, or email address. Once you've added the details, click Next. Next, you can add a profile picture and cover photo to your Facebook page. After adding your images, click Next. Now, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the remaining setup. Finally, review your page and make sure all the information is correct.